Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2020 video tutorial. As you might already know, you can import almost every CAD format into AutoCAD, and therefore you can use it to make drawings. So I want to do the Groundplate drawing with AutoCAD. I've got hidden lines, I've got an aligned section view, I've got isometric view, I've got a baseline dimension, and I've got those surface finishing symbols, which you could do with a block, a dynamic block, or just plain simple draw that simple and add some text. So let's have fun with AutoCAD. So first I want to import my assembly. I will go for Category 5 format. So go for import, other formats, and I will select my assembly, open it. You will get this bubble and click there and your assembly will be already imported. Now it will be imported as a block. I want to select the single parts, so I want to use explode. Select that block, right click, and you got all the parts. Now I could move the parts to different layers, or I could work with isolate. I will go for isolate. So go here, isolate object, select the ground plate, right click, and the ground plate stays visible and all the other objects are hidden. Now switch to the layout, delete that viewport because we don't need it. Right click, go to the page setup manager, and I want to change that format from ISO A4 to ISO A3 landscape format for 20 by 297 and confirm and close. Now go to the layout tab, go for base, and from model space it's already add your mouse pointer. Now right click, go to orientation. In this case I want to see the top view. Right click again, go to scale, change this one to 0.5 and right click once more, hidden lines, visible and hidden lines, and just put it there and exit and confirm. Now in order to get a projected view, go here, select the base view, the parent view, and put it over here. Right click, enter, and of course I want to edit this one. Go to edit view, and I don't want hidden lines, only visible lines, and confirm. Now for the section view, go to section, go for aligned, and select the parent view, this one. Now let's drag this over here, go up, over here, like this, then go down, okay, over here, click, right click, enter, and I want it in this direction. Confirm. Quite nice. I don't need that 0.5, so I could delete this. Okay. I will need an isometric view, so I will go for another base view. From model space, right click and go for orientation, and I will go for, let's see, northeast, looks good. Right click, go to scale, 0.5, and check the hidden lines, only visible lines, yes, and put it here and confirm. And sorry, confirm once more. Okay. orientation, ISO, right click, scale 0.5, check again the hidden lines, only visible lines, put it there, exit and confirm. Now that style here is without line. You could change that if you want. Now let's add some center marks and lines. Go to insert, no, annotate, center mark. There's one, here, over there, here, there, here, there, and there. And go for center lines. I need a center line between those two. Repeat the command here, there, and here as well. And I might change those. Select, go right, select similar, select this one, select similar, and I want to put them on a different layer on my sketches layer maybe. Okay. Now for the dimensions, let's see, I want to use that layer. Okay, now go for dimension, control right click, I want dimension from the center to control right click the center of this one. Okay. Now I can go for a baseline, so go for a baseline, select it here, and now control right click center, this one, control right click center, that one, again control right click center here, and okay. Now let's move those a little bit. Maybe like this. Add some more dimensions from this line to that one. Okay. From center to center. That one, from center to center, like that. Now from quadrant here to quadrant there, it's the 25. Now from this line to that one, 20, from this one to that one, 25, from this one to that one, 20, and from this one to that one, 180. Now these should be also dimensioned Okay, now let's change this one to diameter, not like that, no, top double click and go there, and then add a diameter. Really, it should be before the 180. Now it's okay. This one, space H11, that one, space H7. No. Now move this a little bit, and you could do that with text override as well. Select it, go to the properties, and there should be a text override here. Just M10 and select this one. Again, go to the properties and go to text override, M12. Okay, there should be also a diameter symbol. And now I need those surface finishing. Maybe move those a little bit up. Okay. And therefore you could use a block or just draw it. I will draw it. So go for a line, maybe 6 length, and the angle might be 300. Then go in that direction, length 6, angle 60. Close this one, and another line from here to this one, maybe 12 and 60. Now add text, single line text, 1 column 6. Nope. Of course I have first click, enter, enter. Now 1 column 6. Okay. Now group this, right click, enter, move this up here, Control C for copy and Control V here and Control V over there. Change that value to 3.2. 3 column 2, and let's rotate this by 90 degrees, draw a line like that and move those, right click from this point to that one. I need another single line text, and that would start maybe here. The height is maybe, let's say, 8. And that would be like this. Now move this a little bit in the direction you need it to be. Maybe like that. And I think I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.